Hello guys, today I will talk about Milwaukee Bucks official new look lineup roster 2025 to 26. Here is our head coach Doc Rivers. Guys, if you like my video then subscribe my channel for more updates. 33 position center forward Miles Turner, draft 2015, round 1 pick 11, experience 10 years as a pro. He played 72 games in regular season, field ground performance 48.1%, point per game 15.6, rebounds per game 6.5, assists per game 1.5. Country USA, age 29 year, height 6.11 Hash 25, position guard Cole Anthony, draft 2020, round 1 pick 15, experience 2 years as a pro. He played 67 games in regular season, field ground performance 60.1%, point per game 9.4, rebounds per game 3.0, assists per game 2.9. Country USA, age 25 year, height 6.2 inch, weight 185. 11, position guard Gray Harris, draft 2014, round 1 pick 19, experience 11 years as a pro. He played 48 games in regular season, field ground performance 38.3%, point per game 3.0, rebounds per game 1.3, assists per game 0.6. Country USA, age 30 year, height 6.4, 34, position forward Giannis, draft 2013, round 1 pick 15, experience 12 years as a pro. He played 67 games in regular season, field ground performance 60.1%, point per game 3.4, rebounds per game 11.9, assists per game 6.5. Country Grace, age 30 year, height 6.11 inch, weight 235. Hash 15, position guard Jamari Billier, draft signed on 3/4/2025, experience 2 years as a pro. He played 5 games in regular season, field ground performance 50.0, point per game 3.4, rebounds per game 1.0, assist per game 2.0. Country USA, age 26 year, height 6.2 inch. Hash 35, position forward Pete Nance, draft experience 2 years as a pro. He played 30 games in regular season, field ground performance 43.8%, point per game 2.9, rebounds per game 1.6, assists per game 0.8. Country USA, age 25 year, height 6.10 inch, weight 225 pounds. Guys, if you like, then subscribe for more. 5, position guard Gary Trent Jr., draft 2018, round 2 pick 37, experience 4 years as a pro. He played 74 games in regular season, field ground performance 43.1%, point per game 11.1, rebounds per game 2.3, assists per game 1.2. Country USA, age 26 year, height 6.5 inch, weight 221, position forward Tyler Smith, draft 2024, round 2 pick 33, experience 1 year as a pro. He played 23 games in regular season, field goal performance 48.0, point per game 2.9, rebounds per game 1.1, assist per game 0.2. Country USA, age 20 year, height 6.9 inch, weight 220 pounds. Hash 00, position center Jericho Sims, draft 2021, round 2 pick 58, experience 4 years as a pro. He played 53 games in regular season, field goal performance 43.4%, point per game 1.8, rebounds per game 3.7, assist per game 0.6. Country USA, age 00, position guard Mark Sears, draft experience rookie. He played 0 games in regular season, field ground performance 0.0, point per game 0.0, rebounds per game 0.0, assist per game 0.0. Country USA, age 23 year, height 6.1 inch, weight 185 pounds. Guys, if you like, then subscribe for more updates. 7, position guard forward Kevin Porter Jr., draft 2019, round 1 pick 13, experience 5 years as a pro. He played 75 games in regular season, field goal performance 44.9%, point per game 10.3, rebounds per game 3.7, assists per game 3.4. Country USA, age 25 year, height 6.4 inch, weight 209, position for Bobby Portis, draft 2015, around win pick 22, experience 10 years as a pro. He played 49 games in regular season, field goal performance 46.6%, point per game 13.9, rebounds per game 8.4, assists per game 2.1. Country USA, age 30 year, height 6.10 inch, weight 212, position for Florian Prince, draft 2016, round 1 pick 12, experience 9 years as a pro. He played 80 games in regular season, field goal performance 45.7%, point per game 8.2, rebounds per game 3.6, assists per game 1.9. Country USA, age 31 year, height 6.8 inch, weight 280 pounds, position guard. Ryan Rollins, draft 2022, around 2 pick 44, experience 4 years as a pro. He played 56 games in regular season, field goal performance 48.7%, point per game 6.2, rebounds per game 1.9, assists per game 1.9. Country USA, age 23 year, height 6.3, weight 124, position forward. Chris Livingstone, draft 2017, round 1 pick 27, experience 2 years as a pro. He played 21 games in regular season, field goal performance 33.3%, point per game 1.4, rebounds per game 1.7, assists per game 0.2. Country USA, age 21 year, height 6.6 inch, weight 220 18, position forward. Kyle Bakuzma, draft 2017, round 1 pick 27. Experience 8 years as a pro, he played 65 games in regular season, field goal performance 43.6%, point per game 14.8, rebounds per game 5.7, assists per game 2.3. Country USA, age 13 year, height 6.9 inch, weight 221.44, position guard. Andre Jackson Jr., draft 2014, round 1 pick 19, experience 2 years as a pro. He played 67 games in regular season, field goal performance 47.7%, point per game 3.4, rebounds per game 2.7, assists per game 1.2. Country USA, age 23 year, height 6.6 inch, hash 20, position guard. AJ Bygoing, draft, experience 3 year. He played 73 games in regular season, field goal performance 42.9%, point per game 7.4, rebounds per game 2.4, assists per game 1.5. Country USA, age 25 year, height 6.4 inch, weight 190 pounds. Guys, if you like, then subscribe for more updates.